Join me for a day of fall homemaking as I share my rhythms and routines to slow down and enjoy the season at hand. One of the rhythms I like to focus on during the cooler months is trying new recipes. I find myself much more inclined to spend time in the kitchen once the high temperatures of summer fade away. This recipe isn't from scratch, which is what I like to focus on, but if you're looking for a super quick and easy fall recipe, these pumpkin cupcakes are so yummy and you've got to give them a try. All it is a can of pumpkin, 1 box of yellow cake mix, and I like to throw in some chocolate chips. You just mix it up all together and bake it for 15 minutes or so, and you have a very yummy fall cupcake. You can read the full recipe by following the link in the description box below. Slowing down to enjoy the season at hand might look differently for you than it does for me, but my number one tip for creating routines to slow down and enjoy the season is to set your intentions and priorities. It's easy to want to slow down and live more simply, but it's another thing to actually do so. By setting your intentions and your priorities, this will help you to know what to focus on in the current season and what to say no to. I encourage you to physically write down your intentions or add them in the comments down below as a way to truly cement them into your mind. It also helps to come back to them often to make sure you're moving towards your goal rather than away from it. If you've been here for a while, you've heard me talk about painting this library/office space a dark green, and over the last couple of weeks, my husband so graciously painted this room for me, and we've added our spare bed so we can start clearing out the other room for baby's nursery. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to see the final room reveal in an upcoming video. Autumn is also a great time to reevaluate how your home is functioning. It's a great time to ask questions like, does zone cleaning one area per day help me to stay on top of my tasks? Or do I work better cleaning as I go each day? Maybe you have a pain point area that needs to be organized. If I haven't used the item in a few months, I like to use this time of year to clear up space and donate or sell things we aren't using. Fall is also the perfect time to refresh our spaces before the holiday season in order to eliminate clutter and reduce unnecessary stress. I found that slowing down to enjoy the current season means finding joy and purpose in the work that I am doing. Often we look outside of our homes to find joy and fulfillment, but when we operate our homes in such a way that we actually enjoy it and find pockets of time to work on being creative and embracing the beauty of working at home, we not only find contentment but joy and peace in our homes. They go from last resort stays at the end of the day to sacred sanctuaries we long to protect and abide in. love this quote from J.R. Miller and the beautiful reminder that homemaking can be. A woman who makes a sweet, beautiful home, filling it with love and prayer and purity, is doing something better than anything else her hands could find to do beneath the skies.